On number 56, we did a question like this earlier on the test, but if you don't know how to think about this just off the top of your head without doing any work, I always recommend doing a real world example to help you figure it out. So let's say you have 5 tests in your math class during a 9 weeks that mainly determine your grade. Let's say on the first 4 tests you got an 80 on all of them. You've been crazy consistent, but you'd like to be more consistent with A's. But for the time being, your test average is an 80 and your test median is also going to be 80. Now, for this question, it said the single largest value is replaced with a much greater value. A much greater value. Okay, so let's say in the second case, let's say instead of an 80 on your 4th test, let's say you got 1,000. Because I don't know, let's just give you a legendary grade. So let's talk about what the mean and median would be in that case. Also, if this happened, I mean, damn, well, your grade would be like 180%. You'd be killing it. But the median here, well, guess what? It's the average of the 2 middle ones. Well, it's still an 80. What would happen to the mean, though? It would go up a lot. If I actually calculate it for you. Your test average now is 310%. You're killing it. So easy. So you can see, by subbing out a value with a much bigger value, the median won't change most of the time, and the mean's going to go up by a crap ton. It's kind of like if I was in a room and then Jeff Bezos walked in, and then the average income in the room is now, $2 billion a year. Not because of me, but in the room, technically, because I added in Jeff Bezos, the average income in the room is now in the billions, and that makes me feel a lot better. Regardless, the answer for this question is going to be that the mean would increase and the median would probably stay the same, which means that F would definitely be the answer here.